Hey everyone, brand new 2023 Corvette. This is a beautiful vehicle. Customer wanted to do the best possible to protect it. So we have installed our IGLA pin code anti-theft system on this vehicle, meaning that this car is not going anywhere without the owner's authorization. I have a key to the vehicle, so pretend someone got your key, copy your key, or somehow got a hold and able to get into the car. Great, now they can get into the car, they can start the car. So let's see, vehicle will start. Now I should simply be able to just put the car in drive and drive the car. As soon as I put the car in drive, the vehicle dies. I'm gonna try to restart the vehicle. Right now I can't. In a few seconds I'm gonna be able to restart the car. Okay, try to put the car back in drive, and the vehicle shut down again. Now what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna enter my special pin code. This is a pin code I just made for this video. The pin code can be changed by the owner as many times with no limitation. You can change it to a combination of 3 presses or 20 presses. Once you change the code, nobody can repeat the code, and you can change it as many times as you want with no limitation. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna start the car, but this time I'm gonna enter my code, and after I'm gonna enter my code, I'm gonna hear a confirmation. Let's go ahead and enter the code. I'm gonna hear a confirmation. We got a confirmation, and that means right now the vehicle can be driven away. So I'm gonna put the car in gear, and I can drive the car away. No issues, no problems. The IGLA Anti-Theft System will protect your vehicle. To get more information, find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.